Finding the best hotel deals in 2025 has become a game of timing, strategy, and knowing the hidden tricks the average traveler never uses. And if you've ever wondered why two people book the same room but pay totally different prices, this video will finally make everything click. The truth is simple, the hotel industry is shifting fast, especially across Asia's biggest cities. Rising costs, unstable demand, and massive competition are forcing hotels to quietly push out deals they hope you never discover, but Western travelers who know where to look pay a fraction of the normal price. So today, you'll learn the exact step-by-step system seasoned travelers use to find cheap and last-minute hotel deals without sacrificing comfort or location. These are not generic tips, they are real-world strategies that work right now in Bangkok, Tokyo, Bali, Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, Hong Kong, and beyond. Before we start, remember one thing. Hotel prices are emotional, not logical. They move based on fear, risk, and occupancy patterns, not fairness. If you learn how hotels think, you'll always book smarter than everyone else. The big shift in 2025: hotels are offering more secret deals than any other year in the last decade. Demand is unstable, tourism is uneven, and big properties would rather fill a room at a discount than sit empty. This creates the perfect opportunity for Western travelers who know where to look. And most people still don't. So here's the step-by-step playbook the hotel industry doesn't want you to master, because it works too well. Step 1. Check prices 8 to 10 weeks out, the baseline price. If you check too early, you'll see inflated rates designed for planners. Hotels don't reward early birds anymore, they punish them. 8 to 10 weeks before your stay gives you the true baseline price, the number hotels will eventually fall back toward as dates get closer. This baseline is your control number, everything else will be measured against it. Step 2. Watch the Wednesday night drop. Most cities update their dynamic pricing between Wednesday 9 p.m. and Thursday morning. This is when occupancy predictions reset for the upcoming weekend and beyond. If a hotel isn't hitting its target, you'll see sudden price dips, sometimes 15% to 40% lower, that last only a few hours. Most travelers never notice because they only check in the daytime. Step 3. Use shadow search to avoid price tracking. Booking sites track your behavior and raise prices when they sense interest. It's a built-in psychological pressure system. To beat it, do all early searches in incognito mode, on desktop, without logging in. Hotels can't manipulate what they can't track. Once you're ready to book, open a fresh browser and compare real prices. You'll be shocked how often the advertised price drops back down when the site believes you're a new user. Step 4. The 3-platform rule. Never check more than 3 sites in 2025. More comparison equals worse deals. The more you click, the more the algorithm adjusts to your behavior. Just use 3, Booking.com, Agoda, and the hotel's official site. They represent 90% of the price fluctuations you actually need. More than that, and you're helping the system raise your own prices. Step 5. Always check the hotel's website. Last hotels hate paying commissions, especially in Asia where the fees are 15% to 25%. So they quietly reward direct bookings with better rooms or lower rates. If Booking or Agoda is cheaper, screenshot the price and email it to the hotel. 9 out of 10 times, they will match it or offer a better upgrade to win the booking. Step 6. The secret of 48 hours before arrival. This is where the biggest price crash happens. Hotels panic when they see too many empty rooms. Luxury hotels especially will slash rates heavily, even in peak season, just to fill the beds. Western travelers who can move fast benefit the most. If you're flexible and don't mind switching hotels, this is the cheat code. Step 7. For last-minute stays, always sort by lowest price first but ignore the first 10 listings. Cheap does not equal value. Value equals price plus location plus room size plus review stability. The first 10 results on every platform are designed to push sponsored deals. Skip them. Start comparison from listings 11 to 25, this is where the real gems hide. Step 8. Look for these 7 green flags every time. Rooms over 26 square meters, at least 8.2 review score, recent photos, easy access to MRT/BTS, real reviews mentioning noise, free cancellation, no hidden fees. If a hotel matches 5 out of 7, it's almost always a great deal. Step 9. Always check Google Maps reviews. Last Google reviews are unfiltered and impossible for hotels to manipulate consistently. It's the final truth check. If Google says the hotel is good, it probably is. If Google says the hotel is bad, run. Step 10. Book it immediately if the price drops below 20% of the baseline. Remember the baseline price from step 1? This is where it becomes valuable. If you see a drop of more than 20%, book it. If it hits 30 to 40%, you've found an exceptional deal. These drops rarely last longer than 2 to 3 hours. Step 11. Use the same day switch trick for luxury hotels. If you're already in the city, luxury hotels become dramatically cheaper after 5 p.m. They would rather sell a room at 40% off than leave it empty. Walk into the lobby, show them live prices from Booking or Agoda, and politely ask, "Can you offer a better rate if I book directly right now?" Hotels will almost always lower the price or give complimentary upgrades to secure the booking. Step 12. Always filter by recently renovated hotels. Rarely advertise renovation dates clearly, and old rooms often look better in photos than reality. A property renovated in the last 3 to 4 years will feel completely different from a dated one. Renovated hotels give you 4-star comfort at 2-star prices, especially around Southeast Asia. This one filter alone reduces 70% of the disappointment most travelers face. Step 13. The midweek mirage trick. Most tourists travel on weekends, so hotels inflate prices from Friday to Sunday. But here's the part they don't want you to know: Tuesday and Wednesday have the lowest average prices across Asia. If your schedule allows flexibility, shifting your trip by 1 or 2 days can save 20 to 35% instantly. It's one of the simplest, least known travel hacks for 2025. Step 14. Check prices in reverse. This unlocks hidden discounts. Instead of searching your destination first, search the dates first, then look at nearby cities. Hotels often coordinate their pricing with neighboring regions. If Kuala Lumpur has low demand, Singapore prices sometimes drop. If Bangkok drops, Pattaya or Phuket follow shortly after. This reverse search method reveals price patterns you won't see any other way. Step 15. Ignore star ratings entirely. Star ratings are marketing tools, not quality indicators. A 3-star hotel renovated last year will beat a 5-star hotel from 2008 almost every time. Instead of stars, rely on age of building, renovation year, review stability, recent photos posted by travelers. This gives you a much more accurate view of what your stay will actually feel like. Step 16. Identify ghost hotels that want to sell fast. Ghost hotels are quiet properties with great rooms but weak marketing. They get buried under sponsored listings, so they constantly drop prices to attract guests. Signs of a ghost hotel: 8.0 plus rating, under 200 reviews, high quality room photos, large rooms for the price, limited availability. Messages that look suspiciously frequent. These hotels routinely offer the best deals in Bangkok, Manila, Hanoi, and Kuala Lumpur. Step 17. Read only 5 types of reviews, ignore the rest. Most reviews are emotional noise. But 5 types carry real value: water pressure, air conditioning reliability, soundproofing, cleanliness, consistency, Wi-Fi stability. If these 5 are strong, the stay will almost always be comfortable. Everything else, grumpy guests, slow elevators, breakfast was okay, is irrelevant. Step 18. Always choose rooms on floors 7 to 12. These floors hit the sweet spot between noise reduction, elevator speed, view quality, room cleanliness. Hotels assign their best maintained rooms to mid-level floors because they're convenient for housekeeping and easy to access during emergencies. Choosing the right floor is a massively underrated travel hack. Step 19. Use Price Lock plus free cancellation to wait for a better drop. Book a room with free cancellation as a placeholder. This protects you from rising prices. Then keep checking daily. If a better deal appears, switch instantly. Western travelers in 2025 are using this tactic constantly, and hotels haven't fully adapted to it yet. Step 20. The 10-minute map rule saves money every time. Never book the hotel closest to the major tourist spot, book the one 8 to 12 minutes away. This zone is the invisible line where prices fall dramatically, but convenience stays the same. Bangkok, 2 BTS stops away equals 25% cheaper. Tokyo, 1 to 2 stations away equals huge savings. Singapore, a single MRT stop from the CBD equals 30% cheaper. In some cases distance matters, but only a little. Price drops matter a lot. Final tip: don't chase the perfect hotel. Chase the perfect deal. In 2025, the hotel that gives you the best experience is not always the most expensive. It's the one that hits the right balance between price, renovation age, reviews, and location. When you shift your mindset from best hotel to best value, you'll win every time. Your wallet stays heavier, your experience gets better, and your travel style becomes smarter than 95% of Western tourists.